make the paper airplane, you need a piece of your letter size paper. If you don't have your letter size paper, don't worry, use A4 paper. The paper airplane should fly very well too. Now, let me show you guys how to fold it. Let's start it. Let's clean it first. The first step is fold the paper in half, this way. Press down the paper. And then unfold the paper. Now, start from the top edge. Fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. And then start from the tip, go straight to this line. Next step, let's press down the paper to create a crease. That's look good. Now let's unfold the paper. We have a crease here, that's fine. On the following step, let's start from this edge and then this edge. Fold both edges to the center crease. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. Let me adjust the paper a little bit. Now let's press down the paper. Let me adjust it just a little bit. Okay. Alright, let's fix this side of the paper as well. And then you know that we have a crease on this side and another crease here. Both creases cross at this point. Now let's start from this tip, forward straight to this point. And press down the paper. On the following step, let's flip the paper over and start from this edge. Fold it to the center crease and repeat the same fold for the other side. The paper now is very thick and hard to fold, but that is okay. You just need to be patient and fold it. When you fold the paper, just curve it first before you press down so that you won't break the paper. When you finish one side, let's repeat the same fold. For the other side. Now you finish both sides of the paper. Let's fold the paper in half this way. Just fold in half. By doing this way, you won't break the paper. Now, there is a very heavy head, and you can see this line. Use this point as a preference to create the wings. Very simple. Just use this point as a preference point and match this edge to the edge right here. So that's all you need to do. When you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. So let me finish this side first, and then I turn the paper over. I repeat the same fold. Now I can match this edge to this edge. And this is the end point. And press down the paper very hard. And at the end of the wings, that should be the wings at the end. So estimate about ½ inch along this edge and make a straight fold from this edge toward this side, and it should be parallel with the upper edge here. So very simple, just put up a little bit. And then let's flip the paper over, repeat the same fold Now you can use the other side of the paper as a reference. Press down the paper, and then you can open the wings. Now you have one side, two sides, stabilizers, fold it up, or you can just press down a little bit more. At the end, you need to create an elevator to make sure that the plane will fly, but that is an optional step. In case the plane doesn't fly, you need to create the elevators like this. If it's fly well, just forget about this step. This is totally optional, so I just pressed down the paper. Okay, and at the plane is already finished. You can hold the plane right here at the center of the plane and throw it up at 30 degrees.
Xin chào everyone. Today I would like to introduce a new paper airplane, the Ares Warrior. This is the second paper airplane in